I think it's time for a little afterglow, and we've invited dermatologist Dr. Rebecca Fitzgerald to our procedure room, and she's there with her patient Brooke. And what are you doing back there, Dr. Fitzgerald?
Well, today we're going to talk a little bit about how to look rested when you're not. And I think we all know that nothing makes us look older faster than exhaustion. So what, if anything, can we do to make her, to sort of instantly take off a few years and make her skin look dewy and glowy for an event tonight? And we're going to talk about that answer. What we're going to use is the SilkPeel Microdermabrasion, and we're going to follow that with an O2 Cuticles facial. So I just want to show you a little bit how this procedure works. First, we're going to take off some of the dead, dry skin with the microdermabrasion. You can see that there's some water that infuses in here, and there's a little bit of a suction. So we're going to try and sort of stretch the skin here and take off some of that dead, dry skin, which you can see here. You don't see a lot of stuff come back up through here. But now we're going to go on the nose where most of the pores are congested and see if we can clean out some of that. And you'll see a little bit of that come out in the water as we do that here.
That actually looks like it would feel refreshing.
It does feel very refreshing. And then after that, we're going to use one of the solutions with this intraceuticals machine, which sort of infuses nutrients and hydration with hyperbaric oxygen. So I'm going to sort of spray it on her skin and then use that hyperbaric oxygen to sort of force feed that moisture into the skin.
Well, we're going to let you continue your work on Brooke. We'll check back in with you later in the show.
Welcome back to the doctors. The time has come to check back in with Dr. Fitzgerald to see the after effects of the SilkPeel and the O2 facial. So, Dr. Fitzgerald, what did you do to Brooke?
All we did was use a microdermabrasion to take the dead, dry skin off, and we used the SilkPeel because it has a vacuum and an infusion with liquid, so it sort of sucks all the yucky stuff away as you go. And then that sort of gets the skin ready to accept all the nutrients and hydration that you do with the O2 facial. And you can see what a change it's made for her.
Let's compare the way Brooke looked before and how she looks now after her facial.
Okay.
You can, and I went back there.